Hey guys, and welcome to 607 Ball Busters. Zach here, doing the January CTD staff unboxing video. I did not do the one for December. It was a hoodie. You guys will see that hoodie plenty over the next while, because I'll probably be wearing that most of the times when I go to like tournaments and stuff. I will try and get a picture of myself in it, get it to Braedyn to have him post it somewhere in the video. So anyway, let's get this open and let's see what we got. So there's a communication that it was going to be a little bit different. It was supposed to go one way, but basically the products weren't available, so they had to switch February shipment and January shipment, and also change it a little bit. So we got some more life after death, because you can't have too much of this stuff. We got 2 True Cut scuff mark removers. And we got a BAM pad, and oh boy, Braedyn. It's the pink one.
I need it!
Braedyn's gonna be fighting me for this now. So, hey Bray. So that is January. I'll probably do a video, honestly, at some point about the national staff, since some of it's public information, and like what we get each month and things like that, and different options and stuff, so that way for people who want to join national staff or at least want to know more about it can find out that information by coming to see us, 607 Ballbusters. So anyway guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell, to help out the channel. We just booked the Airbnb for Chicago. We talked about that in the last live stream. So me, Braedyn, his girlfriend Riley, and her mom will all be going to Chicago, as well as 607 Ballbusters fan John Green and his girlfriend should be going as well. So nervous but excited. Anyway, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell to help out the channel. For 607 Ballbusters, I'm Zach. I'll be talking to you guys later. Peace out.